What are you doing?
Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and pull the oil filter out of this old girl. Always position your bolts to where you know exactly where they go back in a situation like this, because see how long that is compared to this one? Well, if you do that, you're going to screw it up, so you have to make sure you place them correctly. She's a little tight. Guess I should have brought a little screwdriver over here or something.
Behind you over there. Behind you.
Was there one? Oh yeah, there is one. The boy actually had one out. I don't understand why that's...
There's a